What's the meaning of chillax? Chillax. Chillax.
Chillax. Chillax. Chillax is a slang term that combines the words chill and relax. It is used to encourage someone to calm down or take it easy. The word implies a sense of leisurely relaxation or a laid-back attitude. When someone is told to chillax, they are being encouraged to let go of stress and tension, and to adopt a more relaxed and easygoing attitude. Ultimately, the concept of chillaxing is about finding balance and taking the time to unwind and recharge one's batteries.